Hey guys, welcome back to Frosty Pine Labs. Recently, one of my hard drives in my computer decided to quit. After many faithful years of service, it crapped the bed. So I don't really trust just throwing it out in the garbage. I don't want anybody to pick it up or take information off of it or do anything like that. So even though they probably wouldn't, I'm just the paranoid kind. So the best way to guarantee that nobody can get data off of it is to destroy it. So today I'm going to set it in a clamp. I'm going to shoot different 22 rounds at it from about 10 yards and just watch the carnage. So stay tuned and let's see what happens. Alright guys, so the first two rounds we're going to use are the CCB short and the Aguila Super Colibri. Both are subsonic, so I don't need my Air Pro. But for the guys on gun nuts, I have my eyes and I have my gloves, so we should be good to go. So I'll be shooting here from about 10 yards and just seeing what happens. First we'll start with the short. Oh. Don't drop it, hard to shoot that way. Okay, first up, oh, these gloves are tricky. Short is in. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's come up and see here. So 22 short, hit right in the middle and didn't penetrate. We can see in there, it did not go through, it dented it, and we didn't make it through. Okay, so the hard drive's a little tougher than I thought. I thought maybe the short would have worked. So on to the Super Colibri. All right, next up we've got the Super Colibri. 3, 2, slapped as well. All right. Super Colibri smacked right up top and just dented it. We do not have any penetration, just a dent. Around back, same story. Nothing's deformed even in the back, so yeah, she's tough. Oh, hey guys, next up we have the Aguila Super Sniper. It's a subsonic round as well, but it's a bigger projectile. And after that, we have the Winchester Varmint X, which is sort of a higher power round for varmint. So we'll see if either of these go through. First up, the subsonic round here. We are loaded in. And 3, 2. All right, so I picked it up here and I see the 22 with a little more punch there, the Super Sniper by Aguila. That looks like the bullet, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, oh, it's in there. So we can see there's the bullet. It opened up pretty good. Let's see if I can get it out of there. Nope, it's in there. Okay, perfect. So we have penetration on the front, no deformation or bulging that I can see on the back. So yeah, the subsonic Aguila Super Sniper got in. Next up we have the Winchester X Varmint. 3, 2. Oh, knocked it over. All right, let's see what we're getting into here. So it knocked it over. I need to weigh down my vise more or something. Okay, interesting. I see the bullet in there. It didn't penetrate. The entire bullet is there still. Just a part. I'll have to add some photos from a macro lens or something so you can see after. But again, oh, there is some deformation and some cracking in the back now. Right there. So that punched. Again, it didn't go through, no penetration. But it did make a nice hole. All right, next up we have the Lapua Super Long Range and the Winchester Silvertip. It's a self-defense round, so we'll see how both of these goes. We'll go Lapua first and then the Silvertip second. So first up with the Lapua, we're in, loaded, 3, 2. All right, let's go up and see what it did. All right, what do we get? Oh, I shot it in the same hole, the bottom there, where this bullet was. Oh, we have more bulge in the back, but the Lapua Super Long Range did not penetrate. It went in just beside where the sniper subsonic went in. All right, guys, now next up through here, take that brass out. Next up, we have the Winchester Silvertip. This is personally one of my favorite rounds for 22, so let's see how it functions. 3, 2, perfect. Ooh, all right, I can smell the gunpowder on that one. All right, what do we get into? Oh, okay. Kind of the same performance as the Winchester varmint. Actually, it looks like the exact same performance. Interesting. They both stayed together, but that was expected out of something hard like this. But yeah, they both penetrated about the same. Let's see. Oh, we have more bulging in the back, but still no penetration. Interesting. I'm expecting maybe the Vipers will get in there. All right, guys, so the last 2 rounds I have here to go through the Little Badger, I have the Remington Viper, and I think this one might go through, and then we have the CCI Stinger as well. These are my 2 best options I think might go through it, at least that I have on me today, so we'll try both and see what happens. So first up, we'll go with the punch. Why not? Take the old brass out, and perfect. Load it up, shooting in 3, 2, perfect. Oh yeah, let's see what we got into here. Knock everything over again. Get you up. Oh, we have penetration out of the, oh, we have some chipping out of the back this time. Doesn't look like a bullet went through though. It looks like it just punched. Interesting. Oh yeah. It looks like I kind of hit in the same spot where the, I'm going to shoot that again and aim up a little bit. That one in the same spot as the other one. I went deep, but yeah, it didn't go all the way through. I knocked over my GoPro as well, so let's fix this. All right, we're going to reshoot with the Viper, just because we hit so low in the same spot as the Silvertip here. So we'll aim up a little bit, see what we can get. Right. Damn ass plane, damn ass rock. All right, what are we getting into? We knocked it over again. Interesting. I hit it down on the bottom again. I guess I'm aiming low. Or maybe I can see it in there. I went through one of them. And again, no penetration. Oh, there's some more bulging in the back now. Something's kind of poking through, I think, a piece of lead. But they didn't go through yet. Interesting. So we'll set it back up. See what we get into. All right, last but not least, we got the CCI Stinger. It's a little more punch on this guy than some others, so we'll see what it does. Shooting in 3, 2, beauty. All right, let's see what we're getting into. Oh, okay, this one hit up top where I wanted, so yeah, I was just aiming a little low before. We can see the Stinger punched right there and did not go through. Interesting. So yeah, even the Stinger is not passing through a hard drive, and I hit it right in the discs up top on that one, and it's got good penetration. It went through some. I'll show you after a macro photo or a micro photo. But yeah, even the Stinger didn't pass through the hard drive. That being said, Gonna fire a few more shots into it just to make sure she's done. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so as you can see, 22s, they do a bunch of damage to the front. They go in, but none of them pass through the back. That was the closest we got, but none of them actually went through. So hard drives are tough, tougher than a 22, I'll give it that. All right, guys, so as we can see here, the 22s did in fact mess up the hard drive, but interestingly enough, none of them passed through, and we've even hit the same spot twice with 2 of them. So I'm not going to say a hard drive is 22 proof, but it is 22 resistant. So we see some impressive holes. I'll upload some macro shots after so you can just see exactly what sort of happened with them, but again, nothing passed through the back here. So pretty interesting stuff out of a 22 and a hard drive. All right, guys, thanks again for tuning into Frosty Pine Labs. Interestingly enough, I have some more videos coming up, some more ballistics gel. We have some shotgun inserts being sent to us as well that should be exciting to test. And yeah, so thanks again tuning into Frosty Pine Labs. Remember, guys, if you're out here in the forest, out in the bush, clean up after yourself. Don't leave a mess. And if you see a mess, clean up if you can. And just try to make the place a nicer space. That being said, guys, happy shooting, happy hunting, and take care.